Advance Directives Module. This is the Advance Directives Module where the plan of treatment or assessment of the patient can be recorded here. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Advance Directives module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Advance Directive. Click on Add icon available and select the preferred option from the drop-down list. Choose Assessment to enter related information. You can enter the assessment details here and click on the Save button to save details. If the doctor feels that this particular assessment could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Click on Save. Click on the Add icon again and select Plan of Treatment to add details. Please note that only one assessment can be added per health record, but multiple plan of treatments can be added. Enter the required details and click on Save. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite advanced directives stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the doctor wants to delete or edit any of the information, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information. Make the required changes and click on Save. This is how the Advanced Directives module can be used.